Okay, hello everybody, my name is Jaslyn and welcome to my channel. Here we talk about fashion, beauty, and pretty much whatever else like girly thing that may pop up. But in today's video specifically, I'm going to be talking about my most recent contemporary bag purchase. That's right, contemporary bag. I feel like YouTube's full of like the really high-end luxury bags, but not too many people talk about contemporary bags. And there are some great contemporary bags out there. Like this little guy I picked up from the Coach outlet recently. Just look at her. This is called the Coach Clio. I don't know, it's spelled like K-L-E-O on the website. And this is what it looks like. It's like this beautiful, get it in focus. This beautiful blue, sky blue with gold hardware. I believe on the website it's called denim, which is a really good name for it because it does go really well with like light denim. But this is what she looks like. Give you a little look around. Has gold hardware. So pretty. Comes with a little short strap. There's also a long strap that's inside the bag right now that I'll take out and show you guys in a second. But yeah, super cute. All right, so let's see what the inside looks like. This is the long strap I was talking about. We'll talk about that in a little bit. When you first open, you have a really big compartment. You have this little compartment at the front and the back pocket. Right now, I just have, what's this? Just a little Coach tags they give you. There you go. Throw that back in there. And yeah, super cute. It can fit lots of things in there. We'll do a little what fits in there in a minute. Just another look around. I really like the way the back of bags look and how they're gonna, what's going on at the back. There we go. So my favorite way to wear this is a little shoulder strap. Looks so cute, especially with this dress I have on right now. It matches so well. Let me step back so you guys get the full effect. Love it. Super cute. There we go. And then I'm going to add the long strap on there so you can see how that fits. And for reference, I'm about, how tall am I? I think I'm about 5'4", 5'5". So you can see how this strap falls on my body. And it is adjustable. I haven't adjusted it since I got it. So right now I do have it like on the, I don't know, I have it right in the middle. There's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes. I have it like on the fourth hole right now. Right, and remember again, I am about 5'5". So this is how it looks. If I was to crossbody it, it hits right at the top of my thigh. So I don't know if you can see that. It's right at the top of my thigh. This is just those two rows. I actually kind of like this. I like this, and this dress has pockets, so it's really cute. Really cute, actually. Still has a little strap on there. Love it. And this bag at the Coach outlet, it was on sale because it was a Coach outlet, and they also had some additional deals for it. So I think I wound up paying like about $140 or $150 after taxes. Honestly, I can't remember, but it was such a good deal. And this bag could be worn in so many different ways. You can easily pair this with a, you know, a pair of jeans and a nice crisp white shirt for like a really chill brunch with the girls, or you could wear it at a nice dinner with your husband or boyfriend. Yeah, I just really like it. I think it's such a nice bag. Some more close-ups for you. Gold hardware. And this is the little Coach. It's so hard to get stuff in focus. There we go. There we go. Very nice. All right, so a little bit more about this bag. It has the beautiful pebbled leather and suede. It's really, really soft suede. And This bag is really the perfect size. I can fit a lot into it. Let me grab what I've had in it before I filmed and took everything out. So let me go ahead and put everything back in so you guys can get a view of how everything fits. All right, first and foremost, the most important thing, my cell phone. This is the iPhone 12 Pro, not the Pro Max, not the biggest size, but it's the second biggest size, and it literally fits in so well. Sorry, the back of my phone's kind of dirty. I was doing my hair and it has like hair oil all over it. And then I have my little Coach wallet. I totally forgot the name of this wallet, but I mean, did I say Coach? Chanel. My Chanel wallet. It's definitely didn't cost Coach price though. So my Chanel wallet fits in there nicely. That's how it looks right now. So I could stand the phone up. I could stand the wallet up if I wanted to. I kind of like my stuff to lay down like that. So yeah, it fits in there really nicely. It also, earlier I had just my keys in there. They fit very nicely. Really no problem putting those in there. All right, and then next I have these Ray-Ban sunglasses that I can either put right on the side there, or I can just throw it right on top. For me, I just probably throw it right on top. I know it scratches your glasses, but hey, it is what it is. There we go. And it does have a little bit more weight to it, but nothing crazy. This is another way you could definitely wear this bag. It's just like this with it hanging. I'm telling you, again, Chloe vibes. Chloe vibes. I have the Chloe Nile bag, the white with the gold hardware. One of my favorites, and this is going to be one of my favorites as well. I've had it for only about 2 weeks, but yeah, already love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this bag. I have a blog post about it that I put down in the description box below. Gives you a little bit more detail. I break down all the dimensions, and yeah, I just kind of talk about how else I would wear the bag. So please like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Definitely more videos to come. Hopefully they're better than this one. This is my first video ever, so if you made it all the way here, I love you. I appreciate you. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks guys. Bye.